Here's a 60-second script for the double angle formula interactive calculator. Ever stared at a trig problem involving sine 2 theta or cos 2 theta and felt completely lost? You're not alone, and there's a faster way. The double angle formula calculator instantly solves these expressions using the standard identities. Just enter your angle value, choose your units, degrees or radians, and hit calculate. Let's try it. Enter 30 degrees. The calculator immediately returns sine 6 degrees equals 0.866, cos 6 degrees equals 0.5, and tan 6 degree equals 1.732. It even shows the full working so you can follow every step. No memorizing formulas, no manual substitution errors. Whether you're studying for an exam, checking homework, or working through an engineering problem, this tool does the heavy lifting instantly. Try the free double angle formula calculator right now using the link below. Your next trig problem just got a whole lot easier.